Welcome to the third video of this asset register. Now we have seen how to add a asset ledger in our chart of accounts, and also we have seen how to add the additional details about this fixed assets register. We came here and we seen how the assets have been added. So once again I'll show you where from we get it. We go to finance dashboard, asset register, we see the current assets value and all the information about the assets I have added into the system. We have 4 cars right now with us and with the value of 250,000. So in this session we are going to see how we are going to depreciate this asset on monthly basis. So we have a scheduler which can be generated automatically every month. So you can generate this and calculate how much depreciation for these 4 assets in my organization right now. How do I charge this depreciation into accumulated depreciation charges? So let's go to prepare a depreciation schedule by clicking on depreciation schedule. So from 1st of January to 28th of February, what are all the depreciations you have passed entries will be shown in here. So normally we pass monthly basis, we are passing the asset depreciation every month. So let's say we want to add a new depreciation document. Click on add new depreciation document. So first document I want to add is for 1st of January to 31st of January, and I click on generate depreciation. When I click generate depreciation, if you see here, all the 4 assets, the cars are listed out here, and the value of this asset, the opening balances as of 1st of January, it is 250,000, and depreciation charges of 25%, and accumulated, we don't have any accumulated in the previous year, so we don't add those things. Right now we have a depreciation amount of 5,209 real for this 4 assets. So it is total accumulated is 5,209, and current book value of this asset is, like for our Camry, it is 48,958. So 1,442 real has been reduced from our actual asset value of 50,000. So in January, of 1st of January to 31st of January, I have passed 1,042 as a asset depreciation value. So right now I finished up this with this, and then I can post this one as a journal entry. So simply click on post to journal. So the depreciation has been posted to the JP. Please check the voucher number JV22001. So it's the depreciation journal entry is already passed into the system. So save and close. So now if you see here, voucher number 1, the depreciation document number, starting from this day to this day, we have an opening balance of 250,000 and closing balance of 250,000. We have an depreciation which has been accumulated in this month, and total book value is 791. So let's come and refresh the screen. So you can see the current asset value reduced because we already charged our depreciation to these fixed assets. So let's go and see the reflection of it. So we will see the net book value right now is 48,958. So this already been passed. So let's check our journal entry. Let's go to accounting register. I'm going to see for last month entry. So I will see that JV is being passed here. So depreciation of 5,209 and to accumulated depreciation. Let's open and have a look. So this is the depreciation amount 5,209, which has been accumulated to accumulated depreciation account 5,209 for the period January to 31st of January, 1st January to 31st of January. Now I want to, in the next month, I want to go to the asset register. I want to pass the depreciation schedule for the next month. Let's say the 1st of February to 28th of February. How the depreciation schedule will look like. So go to depreciation schedule. Now I have already passed for January month. Already there is one depreciation document has been submitted. Now the second one I'm going to add, which will start from 1st of February to 28th of February. Click generate depreciation. So when I click on generate depreciation, you can see all the 4 assets I have added into the system. Now the book value is changed because we have new depreciation value, like 5,200 was the opening balance as of 1st of February, and we have depreciation, additional depreciation added of 5,200, and we have total accumulated is 10,000. Our book value reduced right now. Before it was 48,000, now it becomes 47,916. So I can post this one to the journal. Now once it's posted, Let's close this one. You will see the second entry is also passed. So likewise, you will be passing every month, you will be passing the depreciation at the end of the month. Once the entries for all your assets been added, you can create the depreciation document.